What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're doing an unboxing and the on-feet review of what could be one of the best lifestyle releases and most practical lifestyle releases of Adidas for the year to date. This is the Adidas Continental 80. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as REMS cleaning solutions to 2 lucky subscribers the moment to hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. I was in Commonwealth earlier today over at Greenbelt 5 to check out the new drops of the Continental 80 from Adidas. Now, to those who are thinking, Carlo, why would I get that? Especially since it's just a poor man's Powerphase Calabasas. Of course, this is the Powerphase Yeezy Calabasas designed by Kanye West, one of the most affordable Yeezys that you can get to date. This is the triple black one, and this is the gray one. I don't have the white version, and that's the reason actually why I made a trip over to Commonwealth, because I wanted to check out the white version of the Continental 80 as well as the off-white version so that I can add one more color to complete like the 3 basic colors for sneakers like this one. So I made my way over to Commonwealth, checked them out. I saw the black one, I saw the white one, and I saw the off-white version. Among the 3, the 2 standouts in my opinion are the black Adidas Continental 80, really slick colorway, the red line along the side just pops, and of course the off-white version. I think it's one of the cleanest sneakers that you can get today, and it just looks so elegant and classy, and something that you can easily wear and even beat up every day, mainly because of the price. And that's, I think, what makes this super practical. This one in the US sells for $80. Here in the Philippines, it's a little bit higher. It sells for 5,300 pesos. So here you have it. This is the Adidas Continental 80 in off-white. I have to turn down the light a bit. So I picked this one over the black one because I already have a black Powerphase Calabasas, and I picked this one over the white one because the white one was just too white. So this one for me appealed a bit more when it came to the design and the overall look. So let's go over the features or what makes the shoe nice very quickly. As you guys see, the main color is off-white. Probably the most striking feature about it that makes it pop is the line here, the blue-red line that you see both on the lateral and the medial side, which gives the shoe a subtle kind of pop while keeping the overall freshness and cleanness of the look. Because usually if you add like so much color, it becomes busy, but this one just has the right amount of color, and the white canvas of the entire shoe really makes the line, come out compared to your typical type of design. Apart from that, I am loving how they implemented the Adidas logo on this pair. Here at the heel, it's a bit embossed, so you can actually feel your fingers sink into a bit to it in that glossy type of material compared to your typical Adidas logo. If you move to the tongue, you also have the Adidas logo in silver, which can also be found at the back of the tongue tab. Now over on the side, you have the Adidas logo again in silver, and then the red trefoil logo over there. How does it feel on feet? Here's the good news, especially to those who have wide feet like me. This is very friendly to people with wide feet. Why? Because if you take a look at the midfoot section, it is a bit flat and it is a bit loose. So it can adjust to the size of your feet, especially if you have, a little bit wide ones compared to, of course, the Calabasas, for example, where this is actually a bit more narrow. And that's where we will actually draw the comparison between the 2 shoes. This shoe, the Continental 80, is actually better than the Powerphase if you have wide feet, because the Powerphase is a bit narrow on the midfoot side, while the Continental 80 is a bit more generous. So if you do find the Powerphase Calabasas a bit tight, you guys might want to check out the Continental 80 because it will probably give you a better fit. And apart from that, it is cheaper at 5,300 pesos or $80 if you buy it from the US versus the Powerphase, which sells for 6,500 pesos here in the Philippines. So do I recommend the Continental 80? Yes, if you guys are looking for an everyday beater, a shoe that you just beat up mercilessly and use every day and still look stylish along the way, this one is the shoe for you. It is versatile. It's easy to wear. It's easy to style because of the muted colors, but it still gives you certain type of personality and tone because of the color pop that you see with the stripes both on the medial and the lateral side. So it gives the right amount of style without, being too loud. But it's still hella stylish and super versatile and easy to wear. And that's actually it for this review. I hope you guys found it educational. And that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoy your Continental 80 if ever you do end up copying one. I certainly am. I certainly will enjoy this particular pair that I ended up copying. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. Peace. God bless.